Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the half double crochet back loop only. I've crocheted a foundation row here. So after you've finished your foundation row, you're going to chain one and you're going to start your stitch in the second chain from the hook, which is right there. And we're going, because it's a half double crochet, we're going to put our yarn over, put it through the back loop only of your V, pull your yarn through, and then yarn over and pull your yarn through all three loops, making your half double crochet. You're then going to yarn over through the back loop only of your V. You're going to pull your yarn through, yarn over your hook, and pull that yarn through all three loops on your hook. Yarn over, put through the back loop only, pull your yarn through, and pull yarn over and pull your yarn through all three on your chain, or on your hook. Yarn over through the back loop only, pull your yarn through the loop, yarn over, pull the yarn through all three loops on your hook. Yarn over, back loop only, pull your yarn through the back loop only, yarn over, pull your yarn through all three loops on your hook. And there you've done the back loop only half double crochet. It makes a nice little ridge, as you can see right there, and makes some nice texture for something that you're crocheting.